Yo, what is up and welcome to another video. So today I just kind of want to show y'all my motovlog setup, what I've got going on, so you can implement that if you enjoy the videos and think that it looks good. You know, I'm just trying to help out a little bit. But anyways, so I have my GoPro, where is it at? My GoPro Hero 12. I got the creator edition. You're gonna need that, or either just buy the media mod separately, because with the creator edition it comes with a media mod. You need that so you're able to plug in your microphone. And then I have the Rode 2 lavalier mic. I was using the Purple Panda. Didn't like it too much. It just didn't really sound too good, so hopefully this is an improvement. But I've just kind of got the microphone just tucked into my cheek pad, and then you can see it is just hooked up into my, if I could find the wire, it's just hooked up into my GoPro. But yeah, I just kind of got that just tucked down in my cheek pad. For my GoPro as well, I've got these ND filters, which I highly recommend, which I will tell you why later on when I'm going through the GoPro settings. I'll tell you why it is best to have the ND filters. But anyways, let's hop on the bike and then I will go over the settings with y'all.
So just a little disclaimer before we hop into the video settings. At the time that I was trying to finish up making this video, I am a little sick at the moment, so if I sound a little weird, that is the reason for that. But anyways, let's get into the video. So first things first, under video preferences, I have my bitrate set to standard. I use standard instead of high because, I mean, you really don't need to use high. Using standard, you're going to save a lot more battery life. And then on the bit depth, I use the 8-bit instead of the 10-bit because I do not do any post-production color grading in my videos. So of course, for the aspect ratio for YouTube, we're going to be using the 16:9. If it was TikTok videos, we'd be using the 9:16. For the resolution, I'm going to be using the 4K resolution with the frame rate at 30 frames per second. If you're wondering why I use 30 frames per second and not something with a higher frame rate like 60 frames per second, is because having that lower frame rate, it kind of gives it a motion blur effect, so it makes it look like you're going a little bit more faster than what you actually are going. And I have the GoPro Hero 12, so I have the ability to use hyperview in my videos. If your GoPro does not have hyperview, I can't remember if the 11 has it or not. So just pretty much use the widest angle that you can use with your GoPro so that you have a good view of both the bike and the scenery in front of you. And then I just have hyper smooth turned off. Under Pro Tune, I have my shutter set at 1/60. So this is where the ND filters come in handy. So pretty much whatever your frames per second is set at, so mine is set at 30 frames per second, you're going to want to double that for your shutter. So if you had yours set at 60 frames per second, you want your shutter to be set at 1/120. So with how that is set up, it's going to leave it way overexposed. So that's why you need the ND filters, because it's kind of like a sunglasses for your camera to block out some of the light that is coming in. White balance, I just have that set at auto. The ISO minimum, I have that set at 100, and ISO max, I have that set at 800. And then your sharpness, you just want to use medium. For your color, I just keep that at natural, and raw audio, I just have that turned off. And that is pretty much all the settings that I use on my GoPro Hero 12. And personally, I feel like it makes the videos come out really good, especially for no post-production, color grading, or anything like that. Just raw footage. This looks fantastic. Now, if you found this video to be helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the ride.